So today we're having our summer company picnic here at Barron Industries, and we're happy to have the workforce out here enjoying a beautiful summer day.
Every year, Barron Industries holds a company picnic where employees get to take some time out to eat, pray, and have a little fun.
And pretty much we're going to see how much chicken, pulled pork, sausage we can eat today.
When you work at Barron, you're not only joining a company, you're becoming part of a family.
And that's what we are. We're a team and a family here at Barron, and we just want to work to help each other out.
A family-owned company, Barron Industries is a unique full-service manufacturer of investment castings, precision machine components, and completely assembled mechanical subsystems. Its vertically integrated manufacturing process includes CNC machining, non-destructive testing, welding, and assembly, all done in-house at its 75,000 square foot state-of-the-art facilities.
One of the cool things here about Barron Industries is there's a lot of room for advancement. You can start out on the lower level, sweeping the floor. You can work your way up. There's plenty of places to go, all the way from machining to engineering to wax room, forging. It's almost endless here. It's a great thing.
One of the greatest things about Barron is the opportunity for advancement. Personally, I started off as an engineering assistant, and today I'm in charge of process engineering, CAD engineering, and any potential quality issues we may have with customers.
Currently, I'm a process engineer, and I'm just very grateful for the opportunity for the advancement here at Barron Industries. When it comes to the culture here at Barron, it's a very family-oriented business. People are smiling, they're happy, and working together as a team.
When it comes to the culture at Barron Industries, I can really appreciate the fact that everyone treats each other with respect, dignity, like a family, and that we're all working towards a common goal.
It's a nice thing when you get up in the morning and you don't say to yourself, I don't want to go to work today. Barron Industries is a great place to work. I enjoy it and plan on being here till I'm done.
Barron provides on-the-job training, and for many of our entry-level positions, there's no previous experience required. Barron also sends many employees to outside training and certification programs, allowing them to advance in their jobs. So if you're looking for secure, long-term employment in a friendly, family-like work environment, come grow with the team at Barron Industries. Apply today on Indeed or go to barron-industries.com/career-opportunities. Or send resumes to careers@barron-industries.com.